जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे?
Hello Pakistan, my name is Ezgi Esma, you know me from Dirilish Ertuğrul Ezbanlı Çiçek. I've been receiving a lot of hundreds of messages full of love and kindness and nice words from you. Thank you very much for it. It really touched my heart. When I think about Pakistan, I always think about a very colorful place and kind people, energetic, and I think it's a crowded country and I like crowded places. It's a bit like Turkey probably, and you know, as they say, it's two countries, one nation, so I think we're close. And after receiving all these messages, it made me think that Turks and Pakistanis are really similar to each other. I really want to come. I don't know when, probably when these traveling restrictions are a little lighter. I wanna come because there are a lot of things that I'm interested in. Pakistan, the culture, the history. I have a lot of nice, very nice and fun memories of shootings. Especially with friends. There was this one time, supposedly I ran away from the village and my husband Tuanay, who you know, he finds me and he helps me and we run away, this and that. Anyway, at the end of the scene I fall asleep under a tree, which I did. And I woke up and everyone was leaving. They had totally forgotten about me and I was still sleeping under the tree. So yeah, well, that made everyone laugh a lot. I didn't laugh at that time, but now I'm laughing. So that's one of the nice memories. Oh, there's a lot, so I can't remember them all. Last but not least, I want to ask you, right, are you ready? जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे? Thank you very much again. Thanks a lot and much love to Pakistan. Hope to see you soon. Ciao. Bye-bye.
Shukriya, Pakistan.
We love you.
Love you. See you later.